Good morning, fourth graders. We are moving on from our geometry transformation lessons and moving into some review time for quarter four. The quarter four assessment is approaching, but we're going to take some time to review some of the things that we've been working on. And with the break from school, it's important that we go back and revisit some of these things. So we're going to take a couple days to talk about multi-digit multiplication, and we're going to focus on partial products. So we're going to start with a 2 by 1 digit here. And I want you to follow along as I build this because you're going to have a chance to use this virtual manipulative yourself. I'm looking at this 14 and this 8. And I know that 14 is actually the same as 10 and 4. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this over. Actually, this one down. So this is my 8 and this is my 14. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and move this down and I'm going to actually build that 10 and that 4. So I'm going to go down 10 and now you can see I have, instead of 14, I have 10 and I have 4. And that 8 is going to stay the same because that's only representing the ones place. So now I've broken it up where I can look at this and I'm really just going to do 10 times 8 and then I'm going to do 4 times 8 and I'm going to add those together. So if I do 10 times 8, I know that is 80. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write 80. And I know that 4 times 8 is 32. So then I'm going to go ahead and put 32 here. And if I add those together, I am going to get 112. And I can check my answer by going here and making the answer visible to me. So here they did the work we just did. 80 plus 32 equals 112. So I want to try this now with a bigger number. So now I'm going to erase this stuff. And as you can see, you're learning how to use these tools by watching me do it. So I'm going to get this cleared off for myself. And I'm going to go back up to the top. And I'm going to build a bigger number. So now let's do 23 times 14. And then I'm going to press this button that says make. And now it's built 23 for me and 14 for me. Now, I know that 23 is the same as 20 plus 3. So I'm going to go to the side here, and it's this, to change the 23, you want to go on this arrow, and I'm going to bring it down until I've built 20 plus 3. Okay? And I know that 14 is the same as 10 plus 4. So I'm going to go along the bottom and I'm going to make 10 and 4. And now I can see that I need to do 20 times 10 and I need to do 20 times 4. Then I come down and I do 3 times 10 and 3 times 4. And if I add those together, I'll make the answer visible. I'm going to get 322. So 20 times 10 we know is 200. 20 times 4 we know is 80. 3 times 10 is 30. And 3 times 4 is 12. And if we add those together, we get 322. Now I'm going to have you guys try this on your own. And what I want you to do is come up with your own number. And I want you to use it without having the answer first. You can check your answer after, but I want you to try it without. And then I want you to take a screenshot of it and then write right on it and show how you did it.